Okay, so this is a follow-up. In this video, we're going to show how to actually begin doing the install on STK, and we'll get most of the way through the installation. Now, I just finished downloading it and extracting the files from the ANSYS STK Pro version 12.5.0. I've gone into the extracted folder, and the third one down says STK v 12.5.0. I like to go into that one and go down to install. You see a black screen here because it's actually asking me for admin privileges to install the actual software. My screen recording software doesn't pick that up, but I clicked yes, clicked through on a couple things, including accept. Now we're looking at one of the install pages that they've got. Didn't come up with much of the pre-selected things that we want, so I want to emphasize here, we need STK12, that one did come up. We also absolutely need license server ANSYS license manager, so if that's not checked, definitely check that. And then also planetary data supplement. You really should check that one, but do not check any of the others. These are the things that you need. You will need the license server to actually get STK to work at all. And the planetary data supplement is important to get things like the moon or Mars. That shows up in a number of my scenarios on my website, and also STK. Do not click any of the others. Then, select Install. Now, this is going to take a while, but it'll periodically bring up little boxes like Next and OK and I agree. I've read the license terms before. I've installed this a bunch of times, so I'm going to go ahead and click Next and Install. Now, this is going to take quite a while, so feel free to get up, listen to a podcast, get some exercise in, but check it periodically because you may have to hit next and then like I agree and so forth. I'm going to cut ahead in our materials in just a moment so that we're not stuck here watching this screen the entire time. We'll kind of skip ahead to the end. But this will take a little bit, and you should check back periodically. Once again, you may have to click a few things. All right, so now we're back. I wasn't able to capture all the screen things on this, but we did come up with the background of the screen where it said Install License Manager. I'm going to try and let me move this out of the way so that we can see it. But I saw this screen right down here where it says Install ANSYS License Manager, but I couldn't start my screen recording software. So I went ahead and selected that, clicked I agree and next and all of that. And now I've got this where it says Launch License Manager upon exiting. So we're basically finishing up with the install. We're about to hit the point where I'm going to stop this video because I don't have the license fully ready for this particular computer, and most likely if you're at this point, Stellar recommends that you do that. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and click Exit on this, and then it's going to load up the license manager. I'm going to go ahead and click Exit on that. And I don't quite have the license for it just yet. It does give me the option to finish installing. I could test the graphics, but I think we're more or less fine. Installation has completed successfully, but the system will not run, at least not yet. I'm going to click Finish on that. It brings up the license client settings, and it's blank on this computer. I'm going to need to put 1055 for my port. And then I'll need to use the actual computer's name. Let me see. You know what? Maybe it might be best if I actually wait until a little bit later. You'll see this part in one of the other videos as well, but in Server 1, you'll put the official computer name. I'm going to click Finish. Here's where you will install the license file when you actually have it, over here where it says Add a License File. And so once you've got it, you'll click Browse, find that file, and then add it here. You'll see that in another video for a computer that I've already got set and ready to go. But this is a run through on how to do at least the first part of our install.